wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Piano Alfiani. In this video, I will be studying how to approach the TOEFL grammar and listening session, especially for beginners. So make sure to watch till the end. Welcome to TOEFL grammar tutorial, focusing on skill 1, subject and verb. In this video, we'll learn the basic of subject and verbs, along with TOEFL style practice question. Let's get started. What are subject and verb? Every English sentence has a subject and verb. The subject tells us or what is doing the action, and the verb show the action or state. Example, Ali plays football. In the sentence, the subject is Ali and the verb is flies. Basic sentence pattern. The most basic English sentence pattern is subject plus verb, and it might also include an object or complement. Example, she eats breakfast. Subject C, verb is object breakfast. The food is delicious. Subject the food, verb is complement delicious. TOEFL note. In TOEFL, question professional phrase after confused test text when in the field. The subject phrase like in the house with my friend on the table are just extra information. Remember, they are not the subject. Common TOEFL mistake. Let's look at this example. The book on the table is mine. The subject is the book, not the table. On the table is just extra information. The correct verb is practical sentence patterns. Here are some word patterns to remember. Subject plus verb. Example, reads fly. Subject verb plus object. Example, she reads a book. Subject plus verb complement. Example, the food is delicious. Subject for positional phrase plus verb. Example, the boy in the yard is playing. Always focus on the main ID subject. Practice 1. Not late. Practice calls the correct verb. The manager of the new project blah 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 very busy day. Cause are or is. 2. The painting on the wall blah 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 from Italy cause come or come. Practice 2. Let's continue with more practice. The Flyers along with their coach blah 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 arriving at the stadium now. A list of important quotes blah 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 on the table. The flowers in the garden beautiful in the spring. Answer and explanation. Let's go over the answer. 1. Is subject the manager singular. 2. Come subject the painting plural. 3. Are subject the flyers plural. 4. Is subject a list singular. 5. Look subject the flowers plural. Always focus on the main subject and auxiliary extra descriptive phrase. Thank you for learning with me. If you are interested, we can continue to skill to objects of profession in the next video. See you. Hello guys, in this lesson, we are moving on to TOEFL listening, skill 1, focus on the main ID. This skill is very important because many questions in the listening section will ask you about the main topic or overall idea of what you heard. What is the main ID? The main ID is the most important point or message of the conversation of our leader. It tells your word the entry text or discussion is mostly about. Don't get distracted by small detail. Focus on the big picture. Come on, main ID question. In the TOEFL test question about the main ID usually sound like What is the main idea of the conversation? What is the main idea of the lecture? What is the speaker mainly discussing? You need to understand the general subject being discussed, not every little detail. Tips to identify the main idea. Here are some tips to help you. Listen carefully to the beginning of the conversation or later. The main idea often offers early, generally small detail units. They support the main topic. Ask yourself, what is this mostly about? Pay attention to repetition. Ideas that are repeated are usually important. Focus on tone and emphasis. Speaker often stirs the main point with their voice. Example 1. Short conversation. Let's look at an example. Audio short dialogue. Man, I am really worried about the chemistry exam tomorrow. Woman, me too. I heard it's going to be really tough. Question. What are the speakers mainly discussing? A. Their favorite subject. B. An upcoming test. C. Chemistry homework. D. A class project. The answer B. An upcoming test. Example 2 short audio. Professor, today we are going to talk about volcanoes. We'll look at how they form, what causes eruptions, and how scientists predict it. Question. What is the main topic of the lecture? A. Earthquakes. B. Lava types. C. Volcanoes. D. Mountain formation. The answer is volcanoes. Practice time. Now it's your turn. Listen and answer. Audio sample. Narrator. The speaker mainly discussion. 1. Problem with universities parking. 2. A lecture on biology. 3. A job interview. 4. A canceled class. Similar audio or a short text if audio is summary. To master skill 1, main idea. 1. Listen for the overall topic. 2. Don't get lost in detail. Focus on the first part of the audio. Summary. To master skill 1, main idea. Listen for the overall topic. 2. Don't get lost in details. 3. Focus on the first part of the audio. Use context and tone to read or understand. Okay, great work. Now you understand how to focus on the main idea in the TOEFL listening. In the next video, we'll continue with skill 2, understanding details. See you there.